Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you how to make one of my absolute favorites, chicken and sausage jambalaya. I really like Southern food and Cajun food, and this dish is definitely top 5 material for me. This is one of the great uses for a whole roasted chicken. I'll link to that video at the end. You could also use a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, or you could roast some chicken breast if you want to go a little lighter. Very important pro tip here. You'll have way better results if you roast a chicken separately than if you try to cook the chicken in with all the other ingredients. Fold in the roasted chicken at the end. Chicken does not like to be simmered. It'll end up dry, stringy, and tasteless. Set this aside while you do the rest of the cooking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 180 degrees Celsius. Get a saute pan and some canola oil over medium heat and add in some sliced smoked sausage. I'm using andouille here, but you can use whatever you have on hand. A lot of what I use in my cooking is determined by whatever is on sale that week. Give it a few minutes, brown it up, and set it aside. In the same pan, add in some diced celery, onion, and bell pepper. Add some more canola oil if necessary. Season with salt and pepper, and optionally some of your favorite Cajun or Creole seasoning. I've also added a diced Fresno chili here for a little extra heat, but you could use any hot pepper you like or just leave it out. Give this 5 or 6 minutes or just until everything is softened. After that time, add in a couple sliced or minced garlic cloves and stir for 1 more minute. Add the sausage back to the pan and pour in 1 cup of long grain white rice. Stir the rice for a minute or so to coat the grains in the fat. Add in a couple of bay leaves, some fresh thyme, and some chicken stock or vegetable broth. I'm using homemade chicken stock here, but you can absolutely use store-bought. Just try to get the stuff in the carton, not the can, and get the lowest sodium variety you can find. Bring to a simmer and cook uncovered for 5 minutes to give the rice a head start. Put a lid on your pan and get it into the center of your oven. Cook for 45 minutes. After that time, set the pan aside, still covered, and let rest for 30 minutes. Don't peek. Now we can finish everything up and get ready to serve. Remove and discard the bay leaves and the thyme stems. Fluff everything up with a fork and stir in your reserved roasted chicken. You'll thank me for that tip once you try it. Have some chopped green onions or chives standing by, and you're ready to eat. And here is one of my favorites and soon to be one of yours, chicken and sausage jambalaya. Make it as spicy or mild as your family would like. This will become a staple during football season, I guarantee it. If you've enjoyed this video, click that like button if you haven't already. Also have a look at my website, southernaccentfoods.com. You can download and print my recipes in a checklist format, and you can sign up for a weekly recipe and a link to my newest video before it goes up on YouTube. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see me make, and watch another one of my videos here.